Okay, are we all locked and loaded? I know I've been a bit inactive over here. It's only because my main channel, which is like sneakers, fashion, all that good stuff, it's been very hectic, but we're back. We're doing an unboxing to a pair of headphones. Do you say pair of headphones? Because there's only one. A set of headphones that I've been waiting for around 4 years at this point. I think they came out in 2021 or 22. Either way, I've been waiting quite a long time for these, and I only picked these up because they were £169 somehow. I don't know why, I don't know who made the mistake, but I got them off EE of all places, which is a mobile network for those who are abroad and not in the UK. Anyway. Nice, very nice. They look premium just by the packaging alone. Didn't even introduce them. It's the Sony WH-1000XM4. Now I am going to refer to this headphones as the XM4s just for the sake of my sanity, but I'm happy to have these. Now this is coming from a person who has multiple headphones, multiple headsets. I've got Sony PlayStation Pulse headset for my PS5. I've got the AirPods 2, I think they are. AirPods 2 with the wireless charging case. Great for every day, very inconspicuous. Just pop them in if you're editing, watching something. But I needed some headphones that were gonna do it all, basically. The active noise cancellation, that's the real deal breaker for me. And I needed some headphones to go over my head because I also do have the Beats Pro, the ones that sort of overhook. Not the 2s that have just come out recently, but the first one, basically. And they're great, they're amazing. The second ones look even better, but for the price tag, yeah, might have to sit that one out. It's just, I don't want things going into my ear. Recently, this is a very personal thing in terms of my use case, but I had an ear infection and it still kind of comes and goes, very weird. Still trying to figure out what the problem is and trying to get rid of it for good. Hope to God. But I just don't want things going in my ear to aggravate it or cause something to come back like that. So I wanted something, especially when I'm sweating away or on the plane, you know, traveling for hours on end. I wanted something to go over my head, not in my ear kind of thing. This is basically why I've got them. It's going to take me some time to get used to these controls, settings. I believe there's an app as well. Yep, there's an app. And this video is mostly about whether you should buy these in 2025 over the XM5s. First though, let's open this up and see what we have. Okay, here we have it. These are the XM4s in all its glory, all packaged up. But yeah, the box gives you a bit of the oversight or insight rather to all the controls, a bit about the headphones, the app too, which is pretty cool. Some of the features though, 30 hours with noise cancellation on and 38 hours with it off. You've got quick charge, which is 10 minutes of charge, can play up to 5 hours, which is always good. Hands-free calling with HD voice, allegedly. And then you've got voice assistant functions. So your Google Assistant, your Alexa, all that good stuff. USB Type-C charging, which I absolutely love. It's 2025, man. Come on, it's gotta be. A headphone cable, so if you wanted to use the 3.5mm jack to connect it wired, yep, you can do that too. A plug adapter for in-flight use and a carrying case. So yeah, pretty loaded. And of course, they are Bluetooth wireless headphones. So let's open up this bad boy and get into it. Oh, lovely. Lovely. So it opens. Wow, that's nice. So easy startup configuration. Download the app, you power on, connect the app, all that good stuff, which we are gonna do. That is a nice case, look at that. First though, some paperwork, which I can't wait to read. Nat. Oh, that's nice, a little rose gold zip with Sony. Wow. Look at those. They are gorgeous. Very nice indeed. Wow. And this color is like timeless, you know, black and rose gold. It's just amazing. You can see inside, very cushioned, and they fold up, which is one of the reasons why I got these over the XM5s. This whole time I thought these were where you charge the headphones, but they're not. That's where you charge them. Huh. You learn something new every day. Oh, that's so gorgeous. Wow, and so light, but very premium feeling. Okay, what else do we get? So we got the connecting wire in case you want to use these wired with, I don't know, a control for your PS5, your phone, laptop, all that good stuff. Also got a connector for flight, so if you wanted to plug this in on the airplane and listen, you can. That's kind of cool. And we've also got the shortest USB wire in history. I mean, come on, bro. How can you charge with this? But yeah, luckily I've got a ton of wires, so that's no problem. So I forgot to download the app and show you, but we're going to do that now. Connect these bad boys, because I believe they can download software updates on here, which is nuts. Oh, there. Oh my God. I can't hear nothing. If I sound like amazed or so shocked, it's because I'm not used to noise cancellation headphones. It just feels weird. It feels like you're floating. It feels like you're in a vacuum, like space. Now, I've never been to space, believe it or not, but it's just that feeling of being like spaced out. I really can't explain it. But now I'm just going to sign into my account, then I can connect it, sign into the app, and then just play about with the EQ, noise cancelling, all that stuff. We are also going to try out the microphones. Now, from what I've seen online and reviews, they don't sound the best, but at least you got some that actually work. Okay, so this is the audio coming through the mics on the XM4s, as you can hear. Hope that's not too jarring, but just to make sure for myself, just as much as you. I am recording off my phone, the S24 Ultra, through the Blackmagic app, the camera app. Let me know though how they sound. Bro, they're so comfortable, even with my hat on. These also have touch controls, which, yep, that's kind of cool as well. I mean, AirPods have it to a degree, and also the Beats Pro, they have a better sort of system. So that's kind of nice. So double tap, play, pause, receive a call, end a call, swipe forward and release next song, swipe backward and release previous song, swipe up and release raise the volume. Okay. Swipe down and release, lower the volume, tap and continue pressing, launch the voice assistant function or cancel. Okay, so there's a thing which is pretty cool. So when you're talking, say you're trying to have a conversation with someone, it automatically turns off the music and noise cancellation so you can talk. Now, another cool thing, you can connect to two devices at once. So my laptop and my phone. Obviously, if I'm getting a phone call and I don't see my phone because I'm so locked in editing, it's going to notify me and I can just answer it very quickly with my headphones. So the function I did speak about is called speak to chat. So as soon as you talk, it turns off everything and boosts the voices around you so you can talk to someone a bit more clearly. It's actually downloading the latest software straight away. Didn't have to do anything. Okay, whilst I'll wait for that to download, I just want to say, first impressions, I have listened to a bit of music in the meantime whilst I was waffling and making my mind up about these. One, super comfortable. And just for comparison, like I said, I've got the Pulse headset, the first one from Sony for the PlayStation, and I've got the Sennheiser HD 280 Pros just to listen to monitor my audio through podcasting, obviously recording, that sort of stuff. And it can give you ear fatigue very quickly. So I'm glad to get rid of these just for a little bit anyway. And where are they? Bro. I don't think that's the last time I'm going to do it. Because they're so light, you don't feel them. And yeah, obviously sound quality is all down to your personal preference, whether you like a bass heavy sort of playback or voice enhanced, things like that. I have to play about with the sound quality just a little bit in terms of EQs, noise cancelling, ambient sound, all these options, preferences, I have to really go through. So that's why I'm going to do an update video, maybe like a month, just to give me a bit of time, a few weeks to get used to listening to podcasts, music with this set of headphones. And yeah, just want to give you my honest take, because I can sit here, waffle, just listen to music for 10 minutes, 5 minutes and say, oh my God, they're great. But no, I want to use these extensively for at least a month. And one of the things, I want to make sure I made the right decision as opposed to going for the XM5s and going for these. Yes, price is always going to be a factor to myself and some people, but it's more about sound, ergonomics as well. I really like the fact that the case is smaller compared to those. They actually tuck away and you can just bend them and fold them away, basically. I think these look better as well. I don't know about you guys and what you're after. The XM5s are obviously a newer version, but sometimes newer isn't always better. Yes, it may have better sound quality in terms of mics and playback for music and voices, but the price can always give you a better deal and it's a better trade-off in the end of it. Right, so this is basically after an hour of using these bad boys. They are currently on charge, as you can see. And I don't know if you guys can actually see the background. That looks amazing. The sunset, wow. But yes, using these for about an hour or so, very impressed. I'm blown away that these were made in like 2020 or something like that. All the sort of features packed in here, all the technology, the way they feel, the way they sound. It's no wonder why these are still being bought in 2025. Now, obviously, I haven't had a chance to try out everything. I played about with the EQ a little bit. I think my favorite is the treble boost. That's the one I sort of like the sound of. Now, again, noise cancellation, ambience, modes and gadgets, all of these things I need to get to grips with, because for me, AirPods and the Beats Pro, they're very minimal in terms of features, buttons, like gestures, all that good stuff. So yeah, give me about a month or so, a few weeks to test these out properly, and then I can get back to you with a full review. This is just my first impressions with these headphones to figure out whether they were a good investment this year, 5 years later. Let me know what you think. Have you got a pair? Are you looking to get them either used or on sale? Or are you looking to upgrade from these to something else, or from something else to these? And yeah, that's basically it. I've rambled on for so much in this video, but I'm very passionate about these headphones because I finally got them. I've been umming and ahhing for years, literally for years at this point now. Finally got them for a great price. I just wanted to get them on a channel because this channel is all about tech. Anyway, I'm off to the gym to try these out and sweat my you-know-what's off. But until the next episode, I'll catch you later. Take care.